Cubato, presenting the ERP in action from selection to go live at Technova Manufacturing. Here's the introduction of Technova Manufacturing. The ERP system helps businesses streamline operational integrate key processes. This case study, ERP in action from selection to go live at Technova Manufacturing, highlights how Technova adopted an ERP solution to improve efficiency and support growth. Next is for the background of Technova Manufacturing, a mid-sized producer of industrial components, struggle with outdated systems and disconnected data. To fix these issues and prepare for expansion, the company decided to implement a modern ERP system. So Technova Manufacturing is a mid-sized company that produces industrial components. Over time, they started facing problems because their systems were getting outdated. Their data was all over the place, disconnected, hard to track, and not really helping them make good decisions. And because of that, they realized they could not continue growing or improving with the setup they had. So, to solve these issues and prepare for future expansion, they decided to implement a modern ERP system. This would help them centralize their data, streamline operations, and make the company more efficient overall. Now, here in the vendor selection process, here I explain how Technova gathered input from different departments to understand what the company really needed from an ERP system. We use a structured scoring method to compare vendors fairly and choose SAP Business One because it fit our manufacturing focus and budget well. Now, for the implementation strategy, in this phase, Technova decided not to overwhelm users by launching everything at once. We focus on key areas first, giving users time to adjust and allowing the team to address problems in smaller steps. The consultant helped keep the project on schedule and ensured proper training. So here, the go live readiness and stabilization. Before going live, we rigorously tested the system to catch any bugs and train employees thoroughly. We also prepared a support system to handle any problems immediately after launch. This approach helped reduce downtime and ensured a smoother transition. For the business process. Now for the business process reengineering and organizational commitment. ERP isn't just about technology. It changes how people work. We rework many processes to fit the new system and made sure employees were part of the change. The champions who support their teams. Transparent communication and leadership backing help reduce our resistance and improve adoption. And now, for the lesson learned or key takeaways. In this slide, I will emphasize that a well-organized plan is the backbone of a successful ERP implementation. This phased approach minimizes risk by focusing on one area at a time, while effective change management and robust support strategies significantly boost user adoption. And finally, the journey doesn't end at go live. Continuous feedback is key to evolving and improving operational efficiency. And now for the conclusion. In conclusion, Technova's ERP implementation was a transformative journey that improved operational efficiency and prepared the company for future growth. Through careful vendor selection, a strategic phase rollout, and strong organizational support, the company was able to overcome challenges and ensure a successful go live. Most importantly, the project demonstrated that ERP is not just a technology upgrade, it's a change in how business operates. With the right planning, involvement, and commitment to continuous improvement, ERP can become a powerful foundation for innovation and a long-term success. And that's all. Thank you.